Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Trying to decide between money and Asana. In this video, I will break it down so you know exactly which one will help you to get more done without wasting time or money. By the end of this video, you will know which one fits your team best, and we will look at the ease of users, features, customization, integration, pricing, and some real life scenarios so you can choose with confidence. So, if you want colorful visualization board that are super customizable and fun to use, then go with monday.com. And if you want straightforward task management with a clean design and powerful collaboration, then go with Asana. Now let's break it down so you know for sure. Monday.com is like a visual control center for your work. You can turn projects into boards, add automations, and even manage marketing, sales, or HR in the same place. On the other hand, Asana is more of a structured task manager. You can organize projects, assign tasks, and set due dates, and also track progress with lists, boards, or timeline. Now, Monday.com feels more modern and colorful, but it takes a little time to understand all the options. Once you get it, it's fun to use. Now, on the other hand, Asana is similar for beginners. You can create a project, add tasks, and start working in minutes. Now, let's talk about their features and view. Both lets you see the work in list, boards, calendar, timeline, and dashboard. Monday.com gives you more way to customize columns like status, priority, numbers, files, and even formulas. Asana has a strong task dependency, workload tracking, and built-in rules for automation. Now, let's move on their customization and flexibility. Monday.com wins in visual customization. You can change colors, layout, and data columns to match exactly how your team works. And here in Asana, they have fewer design options, but its structure is perfect for teams that want clear, organized task list without distractions. Now let's talk about their integration and automation. Both connects with tools like Slack, Google Drive, Dropbox, Zoom, and Outlook. Monday.com makes automation easy with a when this happen, do this style. On the other hand, Asana has a powerful automation too, but they're more focused on streamlining tasks inside the project. Now, let's talk about their pricing. So, they have like one basic, standard, pro, and enterprise. So if you want to start with free, there's up to 2 seats, and you can try it for free as well. There is basic, which is $9 per seat per month, which means total $90 per month. And you can try, and here they give you what is new in these features. Now, with standard, they are like $12 per seat per month, which means total $120 per month. And you can watch why standard and what they offer in this package. So they include basic and plus other this thing. Now let's move on to the pro, which is $90 per seat per month. So in total, it's $190 per month and billed annually. So here you can also watch a video about why you should choose Pro and the list of the benefits that they offer in these features. Now here they say you yearly save 80%, and they also give like a monthly how the price varies for each of the features. Now here you can choose the team size as well, which goes up to 200 plus seats, and the lowest is 3 seats as well. So the price change based on the team size. Now let's move on to Asana and look for their pricing as well. So they also offer personal, starter, advanced, enterprise, and enterprise plus enterprise. Okay. So for personal, we just start with $0 for starter. It starts with $10.99 per user per month billed annually, which is $13.49, and this is the features that they offer in their starter package. Now let's move on to advanced. The price start is $24.99 per user, or you can say it is $30.49 billed monthly. And if you scroll down, you will see what they offer in this package as well. Now, lastly, it is the enterprise. So for companies that needs to coordinate, automate complex work across departments without limits. For that, you have to contact sales, and you will see the list of what they offer. And in here, you can see this give you support of 24 by hour. And based on your team size, you just need to select the package for yourself. Now, okay, now move on to real world scenarios. Okay, there is a scenarios A, which is a marketing agency. If they need a visual board tracking ads, campaign, and client updates, and if they want a custom dashboards, colorful tracking, and easy automation, the best fit is Monday.com for them. Now, the next case or scenario B is about a software team. They need task dependency, timelines, and bug tracking. And if they want a clear progress tracking and minimal setup, then the best fit is Asana. So the final decision checklist is ask yourself, so do I need a colorful, highly customizable board? If you need, then go ahead with money.com. But if you need a clean, simple task management, then go for Asana. Now next, if you need or have a visual thinking team, then Monday.com will be the best choice. On the other hand, if you want a no frills, get things done team, then Asana is the best fit. Now, if I follow rules of thumb, small team, budget friendly, needs simple task tracking, then Asana's free or low tier plan is enough. If you need like a big team, wants more customization and dashboard, then Monday.com standards or pro plan is worth it. And if you are okay with everything, and I hope after watching this video you have an idea about what you need for your team, and that's it. Like thinking about how your team works every day, the best tool is the one that you will actually use. So comment down below which one you are leaning towards, and I will show you some setup tips to get you started faster. That's it for this video. If this video helped you out, then subscribe to this channel, like this video, and thanks for watching.